You hear that? I've reached the first big milestone of my ride, this Hohe Emberg. You see, it's 806 meters above sea level, so I think I've climbed something around 300 vertical meters from where I have left B251, and unfortunately I have to end my ride and head back to Groningen. I have an unexpected problem. I suspect that my Freebody doesn't spin freely anymore. The shifting is quite jerky, and well, kind of I don't want it to continue the ride if I'm not really sure about my back. So of course it sucks a bit that well, that Freebody has failed, most likely, but hey, biking is a mechanical sport, it happens. The good thing is it failed at the point where I can quite easily return back to the base. What I'm gonna do, I will actually right now disengage the chain here. I'll just take it off, and it's gonna be, at the back it's gonna be scooter. I need probably 200 meters for the next one. Let's put the chain back. That was it. That was 300 vertical meters, I think, and I coasted down within probably 5 minutes or so. The footage will tell. And if you heard that rattling noise, this is the chain that kind of rubs against the chainstay. Well, there's no other way to to get with the bike from the wilderness back to the civilization. Right, so now I have to find a way to limp back to my house, to my secret base of mountain bike ride operations, and to see how I'm gonna fix this problem. You see, there is a crack here going all the way. So it has cracked. Unless I have a replacement part, it is pointless operation. I've been to a few shops today and none of them have exact replacement parts that I need. The crack on the freehub body clearly visible. The only thing remaining right now is to assemble the wheel back so that I can just put eventually the bike back onto the bike transportation rack and bring it back to my home, where I will eventually repair it completely. Of Of course, this is a huge setback for my riding plans because I can't ride the bike anymore. So, as I told you, the end of the ride is never the end of the world. Just stay positive and look for other options. There is always something out there. Guys, you're awesome. I'm gonna see you soon. Enjoy.